Hello children, EVS 1 Science topic our fourth lesson Water Safe for Drinking Part 3. In previous video we have studied about sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So what is meant by sedimentation? The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called sedimentation. What is decantation? Separation of clear water from the sediment is called decantation. What is filtration? Straining of muddy water to get clear water or transparent water is called filtration. Why do we add alum to the water? Now let us see why we add alum to the water.
Water purification. Why is alum added to water?
Aha! Because water does not like to be alone. It wants somebody's company.
Nah. Alum is added to purify water. Alum is aluminium sulfate. It acts as a coagulant. A coagulant attracts and binds with extremely fine and small particles to form a large particle.
Ew, I won't use it.
But why?
Because it will attract all small insects and make a large insect.
Oh, you're just unbelievable. When a solution of alum is added to impure water, it attracts and binds with contaminants and fine suspended particles of mud, dirt, etc. to form large particles. Being large, these particles can be removed by filtration, or when they settle down due to gravity, they can be removed through decantation, giving us pure water. Oil.
What is potable water? Now let us see what is potable water and how it is useful for drinking. What is potable water? The water which is safe for drinking is called potable water.
Very good morning, my dear students. Our today's subject is EVS and the topic is water safe for drinking, that is potable water. What is mean by potable water? Water that does not endanger our health in any way when we drink it is called safe drinking water or potable water. Drinking water must be safe for our health. Pure water has no taste, smell or color. If water has a color or a foul smell, one must avoid drinking it. In order to obtain clean water, muddy water is allowed to settle. After settling, the water is cleaned further by swirling alum in it or by filtration. Its muddiness disappears and the water looks clean and transparent. Microorganism. Microorganism is a living thing that cannot be seen by the naked eye or even with a magnifying glass. Microscope. Microscope is an instrument for looking at very small things which we cannot see with our eyes or even through a magnifying glass is called microscope. Useful microorganisms. If we take a bit of yogurt or a drop of buttermilk on a glass slide and place the slide under a microscope, we see very tiny living things in it. They are called microorganisms. These microorganisms convert milk into yogurt. They are useful for us. Harmful microorganisms. All microorganisms are not useful. Some microorganisms cause disease when they enter our body. They are said to be harmful microorganisms. Numerous kinds of microorganisms. There are numerous kinds of microorganisms around us. They are in the soil, in water, in air, on rocks, that is, anywhere and everywhere. Even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not be able to see them. Boiling water. You may know that during the rainy season, we often hear of outbreak of diarrhea or gastritis. At such time, we need to boil the water that has been cleaned by settling and filtration. Boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevent diseases. Thank you.
So, in this lesson, we have studied some substances dissolve in water, some substances do not. Some things float on water, some sink and settle at the bottom. In order to obtain clean water, muddy water is allowed to settle. After settling, the water is cleaned further by swirling alum in it or by filtration. Even in clean transparent water, microorganisms can be present. It is necessary to have safe water for drinking. So, water must be boiled to destroy any microorganisms in it. Thank you.